I have my tables created right now. I have both the RLS table and the St. Helena High School table. And now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make them appear on my screen. So I want to start building my home screen of my app. So I'm going to leave data and I'm going to come back to layout. Inside of layout, I want to start building. So here's my script that I'm following. This is the structure of my app. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little separator. And all they are lines that come across. So I'm going to come up, here's my components. We've used it once now for text right here. Let's go in here and let's find separator. And it's as simple as that. I now have a separator. It's this little line right here. Now let's go ahead, go back up, and I want to add in, there should be table, and there it is, table, and here's the table. It's now here, and we'll link it up to the one we already created. And then you know what I want to do? I'm going to go separator, the SHH table, and then separator. So let's go ahead. Let's do all our components right now. And then I'm going to do another separator. The only reason for the separators is it makes it look good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another component. Here's my table. And that's going to be for this one, the SHS table. And then I'll finish with a final separator, which isn't actually necessary. And that's it. Okay, and it'll just make the appearance of the text look nicer. Now, how do I get, right now we have the table built and it's inside of data. We need to be able to connect it into these two components. So I'm going to click on the component. I'm going to come over here to source. I'm going to select down, and there's RLS table. Then, and look, every single thing, we're done. Everything that was inside of our table that we created back with RLS, it's all here. And so all it did was flow. Everything is coming. I'm going back to layout. Everything we see right here is a result of what we built inside of those data tables. That's why Glide is a very powerful data app. Receiving data, and you'll see retrieving data. I'm going to go to now the second component table, and I'm going to come over here to source, and this one I'm going to clink up to SSHH, and we're done. How about this? Let's add the titles. So I like right here, Robert Louis Stevenson, MS, St. Helena High School. So I'm going to click on the RLS table. I'm going to come over here to title, and this should work. Cross my fingers. It might be the one down below, but I'm going to type in Robert Louis. Please start doing this. And then I'm going to go to the second one. I should probably just do one at a time. And then St. Helena High School. And we are very close. Look at our homepage. I don't like these search fields. So how do I get rid of them? I'm going to come back to the RLS one. Up here in options, they turn it on, and so I'm going to get rid of it. And then I'm going to go to the SHS one, and I'm going to click on options, and there's the second one. And now I'm looking at my home page right here versus here, this page, and they look almost exactly, they do look exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and now move on to formatting them.